Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 Pro and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find Personalize. Fun fact, there is a possibility that you will not be able to find this Personalize section in the settings, but no worries. All you have to do is to go back to the home screen, tap on it and hold it, and then we've got this section with the themes and font, and here we've got the wallpapers. So all you have to do is to simply tap on it and you will be transferred to the proper section. What is more, after entering the wallpaper using this way with the home screen, the personalization section should appear in the settings. If not, you can still do it using the home screen option. Alright, so let's enter Personalize and tap on this wallpaper section. Here we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen, and under it we've got the albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So my photos, AI photos or curated images. Let's tap for example on this one, and as you can see here we've got only one option. At least it looks like we've got only one option, but no worries. Let's tap on more wallpapers again. And here we've got pre-installed options from which we can choose and different albums connected with the cityscapes, for example, art, seascapes, etc. And of course your own photos. You can set your own photo as a wallpaper. I'll choose something from those options. Let me quickly, maybe this one. So tap on the wallpaper to apply it on the full screen, and now you can check how it will, where you want to set it, so home screen or lock screen. I'll mark home screen and tap on set wallpaper in the right upper corner. Now you can actually decide whether you want to set it on the home screen, lock screen or both, and I will choose both options, so let me tap on it, and as you can see the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.